When you start as a filmmaker, everything is hard. You don't know what to make a film about or what you should use to film on. First of all, I have an old, cheap smartphone, and that is perfectly alright to shoot on. Several films have been made on iPhone 7s, and there's no shame in using a mobile phone to shoot on. If you want to invest in something, maybe invest in better lighting and better sound, better audio equipment, because audio is slightly more important than investing in a camera. If you don't know what to film, think about what you have nearby in your surroundings. If your dad has an old tractor you live on the countryside, make a film about the old tractor. If your dad doesn't have an old tractor, don't use the old tractor. If your great grandparents immigrated from another country, make a film about them and about the whole country and everything you can think of and every fact about it. And if they're alive, talk about the journey with them, or maybe talk with your grandparents as their children about how it was to be the first generation in a new country. Maybe you have just won a football match, then make a film about that, how hard it was, how hard you trained to win that match. It really doesn't matter what you make a film about. You just have to find it motivating and be passionate about it. Subscribe for my channel for more videos like this, and make sure to watch several other videos, because I hope you learn something. Bye, take care.